Welcome to BenRick Remedies, best indoor plants for clean air. Living in an energy-efficient, modern building can have unintended side effects. One of these side effects is less airflow. Lack of airflow allows for indoor air pollution to build up and cause health issues like asthma or sick building syndrome. In fact, modern furnishings, synthetic building materials, and even your own carpet may carry more chemicals than expected. These chemicals can make up to 90% of indoor air pollution. In 1989, NASA discovered that houseplants can absorb harmful toxins from the air, especially in enclosed spaces with little airflow. This study has been the basis for newer studies about indoor plants and their air cleaning abilities. While plants have less horsepower than air purifiers, they're more natural, cost-effective, and therapeutic. Here are some best indoor plants for clean air. 1. Spider plant. Two. Peace lily. 3. English ivy. 4. Snake plant. 5. Aloe vera. 6. Sword fern. 7. Bamboo palm. 8. Dracaena. 9. Weeping fig. 10. Aglaonema. 11. Dracaena fragrans. 12. Broadleaf lady palm. 13. Chrysanthemum. 14. Transvaal daisy. 15. Barberton daisy. 16. Ficus. 17. Dragon tree. 'Besides houseplants, there are other ways you can purify the air in your home. Keep your floors clean by vacuuming and mopping. Avoid synthetic cleaners or air fresheners. Reduce humidity in your air. Increase ventilation. In fact, some studies also used air filters in combination with plants. So if you're new to planting or don't have enough room, purchasing an air filter is one easy step to cleaner air. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more updating video. Thank you.